guys, welcome to my channel. So I just wanted to do try to keep this short, a video about how I do like my overlay, how I take care of my nails to protect them. Basically I do pretty much what Guyleen 325 does. If you do not watch Guyleen, then you should. I will leave her link down below. She showed how to do the scrubbing method. Now I don't soak off my gel. I just use some files. Yeah, I don't usually use like a brand new one. I'll break it in first before I, file off. And I always leave, there's still some gel left on my nails. So these are usually the ones I use, and then I use my clear crystal glass, whatever you want to call it, to shape and file like the ends and stuff. So this nail right here is broken way down deep under there. This is a fake nail. This is one of those 1, 2, 3 gel nails. I had put a new one on 2 days ago. The other one came off easy. It had grown out to about right here. So there was a big gap, so I had to redo it. My nails do grow pretty quick, so yeah, that's redone. So all we're going to work on today is the rest of the nails. I did file off, like I said, last night, and I've been moisturizing ever since. Oiled them up, creamed my hands. Right before I went to bed, oiled them up, creamed my hands. Woke up this morning, oiled them up, creamed my hands. And then before I brought my daughter to work, oiled them up, creamed my hands. So they're very oily right now. So I am going to take some acetone. I do have a mixture of acetone and alcohol, but I'm just going to use acetone. And I'm just going to, this is a toothbrush. I buy a bunch of them at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to go over my nail. Make sure everything is matte. There's no shininess or anything like that. Go clean underneath. Give it another swipe over, and then we'll be back to do the scrub in. And I'll just going to do like one nail and show you that way. So I'll be right back. Okay, so what I use is Madam Glam's base and top coat. I put a rubber band on all my base coats, so I know, especially when they look exactly the same, so I know, because I have made the mistake of going down with the top coat. So this way I don't make the mistake. So what I do is I make sure there's nothing on this wand to come rolling down on me. It looks like there's literally nothing on the brush. Get that the hell out of the way so I don't knock it over. And what I'm going to do is I'm scrubbing it in. This is the first coat that I do. I scrub it in. So the brush is only wet. There's no, how do you say it? No extra on there. Whatever's, you can see, I don't know if you can see that, how it's curled from just going around my nail. So I'm also gonna push this way to go over the edges. I'm just gonna take a look, make sure everything is covered. It took me a good 6 months to get this right and get it down to where, There wasn't any on my skin. There was no like blowout bubbles on the side. So that first one is in. I'm going to just take a cleanup brush. Did I show that? There. I have a little thing, damping dish thing, whatever, with some alcohol, and make sure I have none on my skin, because even though I can't see it or feel it, it could be there. So I'm just going to go around and do that. Make sure there's none on the skin. And then I'm going to cure that 30 seconds. Be right back. Okay, I went ahead and did all of them. Now we're going to go in with the second one. I'm just going to show you the thumb because that's the easiest. I don't need to take off absolutely everything, but I don't want a buttload on my brush. Just the tiniest bead on there. Line frame. I'm not used to doing this on camera. Try to get the brush to fan out as much as I can. And then again, I go my clean up the edges. I can see something right there. Doesn't mean there was something there, but something looked shiny, so just want to take that off. So I'll just cure that and I'll be right back. Okay, I got them all, they're all done with base coat. So I scrubbed in the first coat and then did the second coat normal. I have no blowouts. What I mean by blowouts is like no bubbles, like a pooling, because I do use this after I clean up. I just give a flash cure and then move on to the next one. Then at the end I do a cure. So now we'll go in with the top coat. Again, just the thumb. I still gotta do this hand, which is always a joy, because it is my non-dominant hand I'll be working with, or working on, or whatever you call it. I'm not used to doing this on camera. I usually have my finger up near my face so I can see everything that I'm doing. I'll just turn it upside down for a second or two. It's pretty good about self-leveling if you give it a minute. So I'm gonna cure that and I'll be back. Okay, both hands are done. So now I'm just gonna take some cream and some cuticle oil and replenish. I did do my what do you call it? My cuticles with the e-file. I used 3 different bits. I did that last night. I did let my nails like cool down for about, I would say it was probably about 6 or 7 minutes. This is my cuticle oil. I just dumped the bottle, the stuff that was in the bottle that came from Model 1s, and put my cuticle oil in it, which is just jojoba oil and vitamin E. That's it. This is a nice hand cream from Zoya. When they're on sale, I get them. So that is how I do my nails. Now they're gonna look all weird because there's cream on them, but that's it. So from here on, then I will just use peel off base coat. Sorry, I'm banging the table. So I'll just use a peel off base coat on top of this, and I can paint my nails, I can dip, and all that jazz. I can do whatever I want. I never use gel polish on my nails, like colored gel. I just haven't gotten that far in my, I wouldn't say nail journey, but I don't like, I switch things up too much to be putting colors on, so I don't even bother with colored gel polish on my nails. I just use those to do collabs and stuff like that. So that's it. That is how I do my overlay and to protect my nails. So I hope this helps somebody. If anybody gets, I've had a few comments asking me about my nails, and this is how I do it. So yeah, that's it, guys. I just want to share that with you, and hope everybody's doing good, staying safe, healthy, and yeah, that's it. So like, subscribe, do all that YouTube crap, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.